Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Red Dot Home Decor clearance visuals. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. So jumping right in, we have our Red Dot Home Decor items going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday, February the 28th. But these will continue to drop in price, so y'all make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications. Now, let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of the items that are included in our Red Dot Home category. Now, a couple of quick notes on this category. These items came out last spring and summer, so they're going to be a little bit harder to find. It's been a while, so just keep your eyes peeled. That's why I wanted to make this video, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what to be on the lookout for. But also keep in mind that at a few of my stores, I'm finding that they are already bringing out new Red Dot Home items for this year. So it's going to be very, very important that you all scan the items before you go up to the register to make sure that they are in fact from last year and not the new ones that are at full price. Alright guys, we are almost to the end of this video now, so I just wanted to pop back in for a real quick second. Now, as y'all can see, I don't have as many pictures and UPCs as I normally would. I did the best that I could. These items came out almost a year ago, almost a full year ago. It's crazy to me. But this was before I started doing the clearance markdowns and penny list videos. So, you know, it is what it is. But hopefully this will kind of jog your memory and give you some things to be on the lookout for, and maybe some items that you forgot about, or maybe some items that you didn't realize were Red Dot Home Decor items. But we have everything from kitchen to bathroom to rugs. We've got everything. So again, just keep your eyes peeled and make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. And I do want to go ahead and take this opportunity to remind everybody that we do have a Dollar General clearance event coming up this weekend starting on March the 3rd. So all of these Red Dot Home items will be an additional 50% off. And And with that being said, that's going to be it for me for now. I've got to get busy on making those clearance videos for you all. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so and make sure that you turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.